Welcome back. Special Olympics August 2011 prize money of 14 medal winning students is not paid as yet. The president of Disability Rights Association of Goa complained that disabled persons do not get jobs in spite of state reservation. Some of the disabled employees are not being paid the salary in state departments since the last 7 to 8 months.
Many disabled persons complained that they were not getting jobs in spite of reservations and attending many interviews, and they are as follows. Special Olympics, those who won the medals at the international level in August 2011, 14 students were there, and they were entitled to a prize money from the state government of a minimum of rupees 1 lakh, but that prize money has not been paid till date. We also received grievance from a disabled person that his salary he has not received for the last 8 months from a government department.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
Police Commemoration Day was observed in the state on Monday. Goa Police paid rich tributes to 578 police and paramilitary personnel from across the country killed in action over the past 1 year. A parade was held at Goa Police Headquarters, Panji, to mark the occasion. Arms were reversed and 2-minute silence was observed in the honor of the departed souls. GCCI State Premier Entrepreneurs Development this year will focus on franchise-led retail revolution in India. The event will be held on 26th in a star hotel at Panji.
This year, the focus is on the retail and the franchise-led retail revolution in India. We have Mr. Anjan Chatterjee, the co-founder, the founder in fact of the mainland China restaurant chain, which is India's most successful restaurant business today. And Dr. Apurva Shah, founder of Richfield, which is India's biggest hair transplant and hair trichology center in India. Both these entrepreneurs come from a very clear, focused business model of franchise-led expansion, a business which involves control over technology, control over patents, control over proprietary methods of operation.
Ittihadul Jamaatul Muslimin, a Muslim organization, has demanded that act of Qurbani is a must for them for Bakri Eid. They have blamed Vijay Sardesai and Vishnu Wagh for staying mum on the issue.
Bakri Eid munda bhai, jenna आमी prayer करता. Prayer केले मागीर आमका कुर्बानी कंपल्सरी दिवपाकूच जाय. समज आमी ती बकरी ईद प्रे केले मागीर समज कुर्बानी दिली ना तर आमची ती ही जायना, एक्सेप्ट जायना. So what we request IGM, आमी कितें मागता की आमी जे करता परंपरा ती आमची चालूच आसपाक जाय. तेजे खातीर आमकां गव्हर्नमेंटान सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आनी आमी रिक्वेस्ट अगेन फ्रॉम द गव्हर्नमेंट की नेक्स्ट जी कुर्बानी हा आमकां स्मूथली जावपाक जाय. फर्स्ट म्हणटा तो विष्णू वाघ आनी दुसरो म्हणटा तो विजय सरदेसाय. आमकां खूब वायट दिसता की काँग्रेसचे खंयचेच MLA कांयच उलयलें ना.
Bureau Report Prudent.
The Sports Policy Review Committee has come out with a new pattern of allotting sports policy merit marks. The reason behind this amendment is to prevent the misuse of the merit marks and encourage youngsters. The government committee has also categorized sports disciplines to show their priority to certain games which need more support. Member Secretary of the Sports Policy Review Committee and Director of Sports, VM Prabhudesai, explained the decisions of the committee.
The new pattern that we have decided to implement is a kind of cumulative system in which once the sports persons participate at taluka level and qualifies for district and further for state level, he would be earning marks at every stage.
What is the reasoning behind this pattern of sports policy marks?
The major reason why the cumulative system has been thought of incorporating is to avoid the possible or allege, misuse of sports merit marks. In some quarters, people still feel that there has been some kind of misuse by the students. In that, people tend to participate more at the state level tournaments, and then they don't undergo the rigors at the taluka level and district level.
Will this new policy of giving marks be implemented right in this academic year?
Yeah, the Goa Board's endeavor is to exactly do that, so that the students are well informed and it could be implemented from the year 2013-14.
Would they be added to the aggregate marks of the student in the report card?
सगळ्यात महत्वाची असे डिसिजन जाला की हे मार्क्स भुरग्याच्या टोटली भितर एग्रिगेटी भितर ॲड करचे आणि त्याप्रमाणे 10वी आणि 12वीचे जे आसता ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम आशिल्ल्या कारणान ultimately marks make a grade.
Which are the highlights of the sports disciplines which have been categorized into A, B, C?
A category we have archery, athletics, badminton, boxing, chess, football, hockey, men and women, judo, kabaddi, being a medal winning sport at the Asian level for last so many years, swimming, and of course diving, sports for deaf, table tennis, taekwondo, weightlifting, yachting, beach volleyball, water polo, basketball, squash, volleyball, karate, bodybuilding, baseball, and Special Olympics.
What strategy would you have to make through the Directorate of Sports to execute this plan properly now?
There would be more emphasis, there would be more attention and concentration on these games vis-a-vis the B category or C category sport, with greater emphasis in terms of finance, infrastructure, exposure, coaching, training, diet support. I think the A category sports should do well at the national level.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.